Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, we're going to explore a project that we're being told is gearing up for a 60% rally. And this is a project that we've been talking about since before it was $24. I think it was much earlier. I think it was really around $14 when we first started talking about it. But it's the earliest video I could find. This project has immense technology, a fantastic team, a great community, and much more. Right, this project does tick all of the boxes that we look for when we make an investment. Right, and Nick has come out and said that we have a price prediction of $225 for this particular project. Now, can you guess what project it is I'm talking about? Well, if you can't, I'm going to come clean. We're talking about Avalanche, right, with the ticker AVAX. This is a great project in my opinion, and it is just my opinion. This is not financial advice. You should definitely go do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. We always encourage people to do their own research before making any investment decisions, and this should be treated as educational purposes only. But there's some fantastic news for Avalanche. We're going to sort of dig into that. We're going to dig into this article. Are we going to see a 60% rally? Really to just see if it's nonsense or whether it's something we should pay attention to. If you like this sort of content, then hit that like button. It definitely supports the channel. Nick and myself both really do appreciate it. It does push the content out to like-minded individuals that might not even know that we're talking about cryptocurrency, right? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. And don't forget, we've got a Discord now. The link is in the description of the video. It's free to join. Now, we have set up chat rooms at project level so you can chat with like-minded individuals about the projects you love 24/7, right? There's much more going on in there, so do sign up. Like I say, it's free to join. And we also have a Patreon service as well where we do sort of AMAs, a bit like Teams meetings where we can chat, ask us anything. And lots more goes on in there as well, right? So do check that out. We'd love to have you as a member as well, right? So let's get down to the desktop and talk about everything Avalanche, really, right? So I'm going to come clean. I'm not very well at the moment, so do bear with me. I'm suffering with tonsillitis at the moment, so we'll keep this one quite short and sweet. So Avalanche is at $116.04, up almost 8.5%. Now, I have been trying to record this video most of the day, right? Being unwell, it's taken me a few recordings. So yeah, watching this go up as I have sort of been recording this video, right? So am I saying that it's going to reach the price target of $225 in the next few days? No, I'm not saying that. But we do expect to see all-time highs for this particular project, right? I think the last all-time high, looking at it here was let's see if I can actually get it. Matter of fact, I probably can't. Sort of faffing about with that. So all-time high was at 146.22. So Nick and myself both believe that it can get to $225, and we're getting, well, we're edging closer, right? We really are. So let's have a look at advice.io and see what the artificial intelligence is saying. So basically, the artificial intelligence has this rated as B1. So those of you that are new to the channel or don't know what advice.io do, they utilize artificial intelligence and machine learning to rate other cryptocurrencies or crypto assets in the space. A1 is the highest possible rating. The highest we've ever seen for an overall is A2. So B1 is a little bit lower than that, but it's not the worst. I expect to see this one start to go up the ratings as we will go through the next week or so. 7-day change is up 41.97% for the change over the 7 days. So the AMIHAD ratio is A2, fear and greed index is A3, Sharpe ratio is D, moving average is A2, so that's pretty good, and the profitability is A1. You don't get any better than that, right? So it's basically the Sharpe ratio that is pulling this one down, right? And a little bit of fear in the space. But if we have a look here, Avalanche eyes 60% rally as AVAX price breaks out of bull flag. Now, there's also the news that crypto custodian BitGo announced they would add AVAX to its service portfolio. And not only that, the thing that makes me really bullish is they're also adding a native version of the USDC, so which will be pegged to the dollar, right? And this is going to be issued by Circle on its blockchain. So for me, this is again another really positive thing to be seeing from Avalanche, right? I see other protocols adding their own USD pegged stable coins, and I see fantastic yield opportunities. So is this something that AVAX or Avalanche?
Today's video has been sponsored by Cheeky Crypto, and specifically the Harmony One staking pool. If you are looking to support the channel and do not know how, the best way you can go about doing this is actually to go ahead and delegate your One holdings into the Cheeky One staking pool. By doing so, not only are you supporting the channel, but you are also providing yourself with a nice passive income on your crypto holdings. You'll get some very juicy returns hovering around the 10% APY, and this is a fantastic way to make your crypto work hard for you the way that you worked hard for your crypto. Guys, if you are looking to support the channel, why not delegate today to the Cheeky One staking pool with the Harmony One protocol?
Are going to utilize potentially, yes, and that does excite me. I think that will bring more money into the project, more transactions into the project, and so forth. So ultimately it looks really positive for AVAX. I am going to link the full article because I'm not feeling very well. I'm not going to go through the whole article, but the biggest things that I want to sort of take from the article, right, is that they're going to have their own stable coin, which is going to be pegged to the US dollar. Now I'm seeing projects do fantastic yielding using their own stable coins, right? 20%, 30%, those sorts of levels. So I wouldn't be surprised to see something like that from Avalanche. That does make me really bullish. The fact that you've got custodial companies taking on Avalanche, I think is again another positive. We're starting to see some real adoption for Avalanche in the space, and rightly so, because it's fantastic. It's a fantastic ecosystem, fantastic tech that it's got sat behind it, right? So do dig into the white paper and have a look at that. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Make sure you do your research. As for whether we're going to see a 60% rally, I think that really depends on the rest of the market. Do I think we're going to see a rally? Yes. Do I stick to my price prediction and Nick's price prediction of $225? Yes. I think these will potentially come in, but it is just my opinion, right? It is. I'm not a financial advisor, so you should take this as a pinch of salt, right? It's just my opinion. Go do your research on this project. Let me know in the comments below whether you think AVAX can achieve a $225 price prediction. Now, when we predicted this, there was a lot of people who looked at us a bit shocked, right? But they looked at us the same way when we said that Solana would get to $185. So, do let me know in the comments below what your thoughts and opinions are on AVAX. Do you think it's going to achieve $225? I do. It obviously might not be this year. It might be between now and March, but I do think it's going to do it. But interested to get your views and opinions. If you enjoyed this video and you appreciate me going on here like suffering like I am, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. With that said, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.